Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing Why Girls.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
This is my sister Kayla and my niece Brittany. So they make ask a question and they make answer. Why girls have sex with artists that have their wives? Girl them have sex with the artists them. They know artists them have their wife but them still have sex with them. Why would you think?
Oh, I would think them business more why.
We say wife is sit on a corner car for them
the
time.
artists them personally me not think say the girl them cause me like artists. Especially when not every girl that you see and some girls just look for money alone. You get me? And then they be as long as them I get them money then they be going up on
We say
and
sit
some
aside
artists too, when me personally think some of them have a wife, but they don't care.
Camera.
Well, for me and everybody stays up, me know that. But some girls just don't care whether or not them have wives. Sometimes them just frightened and say artists them have a girl, them not even.
Exactly.
They
I
not
have
even
some
say. Some
options.
girl, I don't know.
Why and why?
We really don't know like what the motive most times when women sleep with married man and why do they not think what watching.
Why girls look friends?
Sometimes the man them not even want them wife to realize there are different reasons.
Alright, next question. Why girls look friends that are uglier than them? Alright, not really say them ugly, but them not really look as good as the one girl in the group will stand out more than the rest.
But to me, I feel like nobody not ugly. They might say, a guy might say, yeah. Because a guy might say, you know, say that girl a body flat and she too black for me. And me I say, you know, so she very nice, she can write poems and she very kind to me. And she just one good person or personality.
No, because I always hear people say, why she looks so much friend why you know not look as good as her. She want to stand out in her friend group.
People too enough. She not have to be friends with her because she look good. We are all women. With enough time, we might not see it, we still say each and we look good. We don't need enough to see it. We don't need no man or another woman to see it. Yeah. But we can love her because she always nice and you know, me love personalities. Me somebody will pick around personalities. When you have good personality, me and you
friend. We're actually friend like, you know, friends not really, friends not make it. So if you have an ugly friend, well, I don't know. We don't have an ugly friend.
Yeah.
We're a friend.
What we call ugly though because
it's a friend.
All of my friends, them no matter how much,
Me
nobody
talk
can
like
come to me
real
and tell me say,
genuine.
when you talk to that the
friend.
ugly girl, they dip up under them nastiness. I'm right. My
I'm
friend
not
don't
friend.
ugly. You might not have no taste for her and not see where you like on her, but me see when me like on her, she's my friend.
Everybody will associate with family.
Alright.
Yeah,
Why girls think guys should always make the first move? Why when them like the guy, them just feel like the guy must make the first move.
I feel girls just like a manly man. You like me, come suck up a tongue. No, I joke me, I make me cat no.
Personally, girls act like this around them friend. When them say, you know, something like that. Why am I just come? No?
Yeah, anytime I see them I just a shiver. Ooh.
And then when you're around the friend, I see this girl, I see him today, and my knees just get weak. Why am never just come grab me and slap over my
No sir. Why girls prefer a man when they want to spend no money on them but them act and them have them clothes and them got every party versus the man where would I worship them
Because
yes, dating.
Because, I'm going to tell you what, you see some of them girl here, Some of them, me young, you know, but me not stay so none. Some of them just want, yeah, my man acting on him swag turn up and all that.
Yes, so the man not here spend no money.
And him not do nothing for them and them are dead for hunger.
But could you think of no reason possible? I'm glad that you come up with a reason.
Nah, do it. No, for true.
Come
Like,
here,
you have some girl that have the just because
Yeah,
they
cause they
dress
look
and them
good,
got
yeah,
them got
yeah,
every
yeah,
party.
You know what? Me not
That
what?
don't
What?
good.
Me not want. Yeah, him can look
That
good and
don't
thing.
make it.
But me not boast
Look
for
good
him
and go
about
party
party
every
and
day and when
always.
you go
Yeah,
home
man,
and then
good
for
food.
hunger friend. No, that do. Back to the one
Rather
where I go
have-
worship you. Me rather have that. That
Yeah.
but all if
Rather
him can't
have
dress,
him,
me
him
we put
worship
him
me, we
together.
worship
If
him
him
back.
can't dress,
Why we just
me put
take
him
care
together.
of
Make
each
it two
other.
hour look like two of them.
Yeah.
Not to nobody we are gonna party. No, every minute.
And them bleach
They go
out,
party
you know.
every
minute,
Because
you know.
the money can't spend on the woman,
And
because
your
them
man that
bleach
money.
out,
No,
and the money
even
spent
like
on
to
clothes,
like-
and the money spent
I
on
know
them.
your man that
Me rather have
Sometime,
something
you know.
real.
Your man.
Sometimes the
Him
girl
not give
them
no money,
even
and him not
give them
take care of
money
you.
to
And
do
all
what them
them
have to
boast
do.
them a go party.
Yeah.
Your man go.
Rather
It's
something
not your
real
man.
and have something with show off. That's a bit, I basically show ya show off. something.
Yeah. Me sure
Feed the
because
crowd,
when I
that's
go
a
party
feed the
for me, I
crowd.
did feel hungry. Me left room.
But sometimes the girl even give the
You know,
guys the
girl
money
can,
to
girls
dress
can't
up.
stay really
You don't know,
hungry in a
like,
relationship.
And
That me I tell you. Me can't stay hungry and me and you there. You have to feed me. That's why I have to take your worship on because you
you
know.
ready now?
Me love the worship.
Me cook the food. You
I
can't
don't
buy
really want nobody worship me. But
Yeah, no worship,
Me
but
rather
you know,
But
That
you know,
house
you
anyway.
love the person.
well, yeah, I
That's-
love you
that me
regardless.
mean,
And
when I
if I can
you
dress
don't worship
or
Christ
whatever,
together.
I love you regardless.
Exactly. Why girls? Here say them friend a step up in her life. Them a say them good friend, but when them friends step up in her life, them
Bad mind.
Yeah, that me like me and somebody, me and one type of friend with.
Yeah, we
And every day, yeah. And every day, me and somebody, I'm not a texter. Yeah. So me not really text more and so. But would it? Me not text you more and so, you not text me more and so, and me see you post all the status and you say, yes, me make this or me get this. Me say, yes, good girl, a long time you should have get it. Me I tell them that because of what me feel in my heart and I see them somebody I want them to go and when time me get my things.
But you have some friends still, you know. Them just bad minded for no reason.
Them pretend
Yeah.
with you and know to God say them a bad mind.
Cause
Hey,
we
every
me
picture
didn't know this
everything.
girl and we meet a new friend and the same girl when you I tell me say that girl who I know from a long time I chat me back on my back and me I say really? I know the girl long time.
No,
Yes, it's sometime.
some of them make money and all of them something they make vanity.
Yeah.
Turn them in an idiot.
And if
I
I tell
know
them
them
say you
boy
get
liars.
something, them I say them I get somebody forget them here,
Mash
them
up
I
the
get
liars.
somebody forget them better things than what
And
you
then we
have.
try
Them so
everything.
focused on getting
Then we
where you
try
have,
everything for mash
so
up
till them
whatever,
want, them
whenever
actually
they
want to
want.
So
see
then
you.
now watch
Just
your
Just
business
not
and for them wanna
feel
spoil
It's
it.
not like say
Just
even when you're
drop by
dead,
your
them
face.
can't get where you want, where you have.
Some of them friends and
Yes. Some
just
wicked
to see you
girl.
do good, just
Yeah.
to see you drop on your face.
And for
Yeah.
them business
Them
and
live for that.
spoil.
Hey, but me I tell you say
Them
no.
strive off
If
for
me
that.
have a best friend, and I saw I me catch a premium there from them man.
Them
Me a fight a
strive
girl
off for
in
that.
Come,
Bad.
come bad mind me, come in my face and say something.
And some of them are bad mind and you know see what them are bad mind for.
And the obvious thing they don't
Them
know
a bad
how
mind
you
them
get
for.
where you get. Them don't know how you get where you get.
Them rather broke them
They
next
don't know
to
what you
get
have to
it.
do for keep where you
Then
get.
we go right out of the way.
Hey, me know this from first hand experience. You have some friend. You have some friends, sometimes boy, all gotta show you so them are not good friend. You still a try to see the good in them. You still a try to see the good in them. Just
when
done.
God say, look now,
Put
what
her
me
down,
eye,
left
what
her,
me eye.
drop her.
still a
You
say
still
no.
sit down and I say, oh,
Me love you
I'm a friend,
regardless
you know.
of why
Yeah,
I'm
I'm a forgive you for this.
You know, I want to see you live just like oh me.
Hey.
I want to see you eat just
Not
like
for
oh
me.
me.
Me easily cut off people. And you see, the type of person I am, me I go observe you. When me observe you, me I check your personality. It come like me I do a full body scan and personality check when time me I be your
Yo,
friend.
you see,
Because
sometimes
me
some
have to
people
click with you a
can't
certain
really
way for this
click
friend. And for me I have a friend,
years
we have to
find out who
they on the
they
same
really
page with most things. So when time meet some of my friends and then some of them say, me no want none of my friends with my man number. Me and her on the same page, God. Me no want none of my friends with my man number. No, because me expect something
And
will
no
happen.
girl now go
But-
on their friend of them man.
Exactly.
No girl.
But we get that
No.
point there across, so in the future we not have to deal with that. And if we
No.
do have to deal with that, me a bust
You would
me a bust
like-
your ass.
I say, girl, you have
girl no
some
want that.
friend where them know say your man a talk good.
And then try to come
And them
right
just
in
a
the
take
middle.
time and I text and I talk to him and I say, yeah,
My friend can't
tell
have my
one
man-
heap of
my man
lie now. When I
number.
start to one heap of lie and you say, you know, some see her out there so with John. And
Would I delete that number?
you don't know,
I wanna go so. And some I didn't
you don't know
perfect.
where them a come from with them story, you know. Them never did they when them just suffer and they eat the dumpling and butter. Them never did it when they suffer, but as we start step up my life, so I should have my man that you know. I should have my man
Them
that.
really I go through it and me kill up myself to make things
I
easy.
say,
And at the
some
end of the
girl,
day, me keep
bad
on it
mind,
stuck in
you
my
know.
back. Some friend just bad mind. Me not love with friend. All of my friend them bad mind.
That's why me no really.
Bad
My
man.
boyfriend and my friend.
Like
You know
And they will
everything about
say-
me. You know me from a toe pint go straight up to my ear. You know every part of me.
But listen to this now. And they will say, and I quote, me just did a test him. Me did ask if it test him. Me did ask if it test my man. If me want test my man, me test my man myself.
so that's again. We did accept.
Alright,
Me
girl,
test him.
I want man long time and die quiet.
Did we
Don't
have an
test
agreement?
my man. Don't want to be no friend
Did
with
we
my
have
man.
an agreement?
Don't
for your
talk to
test
my man.
We did come to you.
Talk to
You
my
girl.
Wait, come here, good heart.
You girl. Me did come to you and tell us that you test my man. You girl. You girl. Say really I test my man without my permission. You girl.
Like,
Alright.
That's how I think too. If me want test my man, me we do it. Me not make no
and
friends
some
test
of
my
them do
man.
the most, even some of them, yeah,
I don't
some of
test.
them
I
do
want
the
them want to
most
I take them want take your man, but
But
you me
test.
know some girl can't take my man from me. And me I talk loud and clear in the ear cause some are sure, 1,000 1,000,000%. Yeah. Why girls date their best friend ex?
Why?
Hey. Sorry.
Me
Me
know
not have
what
them
if a
number in
people
my
do
first
that.
place. And if me running at them and me know them, I don't know them. Me see you?
Yeah.
No, if a people do that.
You know what? Them we see us still you know.
Me know what if people do that for true.
Them we see us still you
That's
know.
how my
And them
experience.
eyes you on the man you know. And wait for you on the man left. So when you on the
You
man
see a man?
left, them
And if
just
me
dropping them
and if
DM.
me and
So
somebody attack and
Baby,
me and best
a
friend,
long
why
time
you
you
even
want
go
to, you
talk
know?
to that person then? Why you even go
No,
talk
that
to
same
this
person there when you
and
tell
you
me
say
say,
I'm a best
if
friend.
me and your friend,
Why?
that same person there when you tell me say you kiss him every night, or not have sex every night, me feel
Yeah, why I'm a
person,
actually
yeah, I gotta
like
think
sex?
about that and I say, I wonder if me I do it good like
No. Me I do it better than her, but me tell you something. Me just not do it none at all. Me know me I do it better than her if me never do it. But me just not do it none at all.
Alright, mama talk
Yes,
up.
Funny, it's funny, a lot of people do that.
Yeah,
Yeah, what
some,
if people-
so me not tell you so them a eyes the relationship long time and it's a wait pan on
No, like
for
so
break
them
up.
to the
Hey, no.
feeling. First off,
Shango
you shouldn't even text me since my friends stop talk. You shouldn't even
But
text me.
sometimes the girl them sliding at the man them DM and I talk about you know say
Yeah, but you being that person where the girl when we used to talk to, I did best friend with. When I say best friend,
one
I talk
day
best
some man
friend.
on a conscience them not
Some man
nothing
on a
about
conscience
them.
still. Me
Then
I
we
talk
talk,
about
then
real,
we
man.
have sexual with them friend when they know a girl and the girl.
Then we all have sex
Yeah.
with two sisters, so them man they stay.
yeah.
Cause them say
Auntie
man do anything.
and niece, sister,
Man do
sister.
anything.
I'm
Yeah,
telling you,
man
some
do
of them not
anything.
no conscience. And all of them, you know, but the good one,
So
them
them say when we
rare.
sleep with
We must stop that shades from all of them and them. Some of them
I said
good.
some are good, but they're rare.
Guys, let us know if you want story times regarding when we usually get beaten because a whole heap of funny. Yeah, do so
guys,
much things and then.
I have videos to put up
But me
with
nah
but
stop
I
celebrate
just
everybody when
editing.
make it.
You get me? I just editing. I just want to get I have a laptop, but and a laptop. have a laptop.
A
Yes, yeah, drop top.
So I can't really get fit edit.
Laptop.
Nothing but
Nah.
go over to my channel, subscribe, and all of that. But I promise you, I said videos will come soon. We just need the right thing. Then we can use my phone record. It's just the editing. We have me and we.
And to be honest, guys, I just this morning I put out my first video. Just this
I'm
morning.
getting there. So we just support each other, not break each other, build each other. Everyone away. Depend this, I try do it thing. You get me?
Yeah.
Support
And there's space
each
for
other because
everyone.
we don't nobody
Yeah,
else to
there is
support
enough
we,
space
you
for
know.
everybody.
And
Yeah.
we are Jamaicans.
But
yeah,
and
that's
we,
American
even
YouTubers.
and we are tear down one
Like
another.
we have our, you know, little.
Yeah, cause even us as YouTubers, we watch other YouTubers. So we are build each other. Remember
Yeah,
when
just
Tina
like
and
like-
Tumut and the food couldn't drop in your throat?
But we are
No,
sing
but
say-
you like.
Remember when you used to suffer? Everybody suffer at least one time.
Remember when I used to say,
Yeah.
And then you're suffering.
I used to dumpling and butter.
Man used to suffer so all of my respect. But yeah.
Try love me cause me used to
Hungry. Never used to have money.
Hey.
I used to dumpling and butter.
Man used
from
to
the
suffer. I wish you could say you
I don't know. Wanna pick the man
She
who
vomit
take
up the
care of
place.
Uno. You see?
And don't
You
pick
better
the man
not
with
pick the man
dressy
that take care of
dressy.
Uno.
And we're
Cause-
going to party 24/7.
Yeah.
It now work and after party done. The liquor ride and some the next day on the day for
Yeah. Yeah, remember
No,
food-
but someone
food
wanted
good
to
for
nasty
eat.
for hungry stomach. Them
No,
just
no,
look
no,
again and say, hey girl, come here.
I'm afraid I'm dead.
No, when they end funny, them just a
That's what my boyfriend. It's the one time.
yeah.
Yes, one more. Hey, imagine, and then him just
Yeah.
and him a clap back while you are
And
Yeah, dear. Burp. Hey, burp. Hey. No, sir. No.
What?
You could have never catch me out when me hungry to me.
When me hungry, me not no strength, so.
Me hungry, you can't look for me and tell me I want nothing.
Yeah, well,
I have
look
no
a bit
time. Me
tipsy-ish.
No. You, I mean, you go hungry, I mean, you go do that for you kill me. I suppose I'm going to stiff out now where
What's
like
that?
that and dead.
You know the rest I work.
Do the rest I work
Finish
for
up.
who? For my car? The man.
Finish. You know some man we do that. Come on, I'm watch a movie and see the man them. Yeah.
Yeah, them do it, but my man never do it.
When
And
the
of course,
father come
you know
out
why I
time,
never do it? You know why I never do it? Because me and them food before we do anything. Me and them food.
You know when you have
They're
gas at.
guaranteed.
So,
I'm saying.
so, you know when
Yes, at you know.
Yes,
So when
feel me.
you
Imagine
get
when he come here,
gas,
so he had a down period pain. He had
at
when the
you
liquor is so
You can't sleep
he come
neither.
like it had
You
check.
can't
And the
sleep.
worst pain ever, girl. No, I don't want that.
A true man, you see sometimes we not one day,
Yes,
me
no
tell you what me
fire
do one
out,
day.
yes.
I have me say me do some fasting. You know what me cut the fasting with? Rice. I say I say up in the night, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. My belly just a cut me and me a try go to my bed, you know. Me a try go to my bed and
Just a cut
turn.
you.
You know when hungry at them time, so no matter what you do.
I'm not hungry, I guess. Me say,
Yeah, hungry.
me not
Fasting?
forget, I never hungry. Me eat.
She eat the rice.
Me eat
after she
rice.
fast.
Me never
She
drink
try
no
eat something
tea.
like dumpling or drink tea or
Yes,
soup.
rice.
Yeah.
So,
So you know
At
them
this
say,
hungry.
I nearly
But
dead.
at this hungry, 1, 2, 3 o'clock them time then.
me say when
No
I
matter how
Anytime you
no
wake up early, your belly
No
just
matter
starts
how
at
you
you.
start, like you, how much like you,
Yeah,
and say,
hey.
God, let me go sleep. No,
hey,
just let me
if
go
hungry
sleep.
liquor them
Oh,
time, they have
hungry,
best believe you have to get up and go take something for them. Trust
You,
me.
if I even
You
You
know,
look
cannot
try-
make that pause. You
Alright,
cannot
let's
make that
make it
active.
fast.
if I even look water,
Now what they not for your stomach?
Water? You're wicked bad.
What are we murder you?
You're
Drink
wicked
the same
bad.
Brother
Yes,
got me
I
bed
got-
hungry same way.
you drink your
Water.
water, say God carry me through.
No,
Water come like
but
a spice.
but you say juice, cause sometimes when you drink your juice, you fool your belly in there, just go sleep.
Full of
Yeah,
belly
man.
sick. But if you not full if you long, you not full.
That's
Yeah.
why you hurry up and go
I'm
sleep
gonna
back.
sleep.
When they worm, they recognize it. I'm not
I did song when they really give me.
Don't it?
No, but true.
I say,
Oh,
get
yeah,
up,
man.
get up.
Yeah, guys, so wanna support the thing, don't forget to like and
Imagine so we just end the
subscribe.
video
And
and share.
One next era.
We just end the video, you know?
Bye, guys.